Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever dreamed of becoming a millionaire? Well, you're not alone. Did you know that there are currently over 46 million millionaires in the world? That's right, 46 million people have achieved the dream of reaching a seven-figure net worth. Now, let's dive into how you can become a millionaire in 2024. Setting ambitious financial goals is crucial to your success. It's all about aiming high and working towards achieving those goals with determination and focus. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to build wealth is overcoming obstacles and facing financial challenges. From managing debt to increasing income and dealing with unexpected expenses, there are many hurdles to overcome on the road to becoming a millionaire. But fear not, because I'm here to guide you through the process. By implementing practical steps and strategies, such as increasing your income through side hustles, saving money by cutting unnecessary expenses, and investing wisely in assets that appreciate over time, you can set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Now, let me share a success story that will inspire you. Imagine starting from scratch and working your way up to becoming a millionaire. It's possible. By making key decisions, adopting a millionaire mindset, and staying committed to your goals, you can achieve remarkable success just like many others have done before you. In conclusion, becoming a millionaire is not an impossible feat. It requires perseverance, financial education, and smart financial habits. Remember, it's not just about reaching a specific number in your bank account, but also about creating a solid financial foundation for yourself and future generations. Before we wrap up, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on wealth building and share your own goals and progress in the comments section below. Let's support each other on this journey to financial success. Together, we can all strive towards becoming millionaires in 2024. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.